Okay, so you want to learn how to do the pen spinning trick that you just saw from this anime. So the girl was doing some actually very advanced stuff. So I don't know if I should do the full tutorial on every move she did there. But maybe I should explain something more simple that you can actually do it yourself. So by the looks of it, of what she did, I would say this combo will have to suffice for now. And then at the end, she just added a little kind of flip with the pen. So the way you perform this combo is you do a twisted sonic, but then you add a little bust at the end. So it's a twisted sonic bust. So before that you add a couple of charges, then you go straight into the thumb around. Then after the thumb around you can add a thumb around bust or a continuous thumb around. And then you can finish with twisted sonic bust. So 2 charges, going to the thumb around, bust, do a wrist pass. This motion is wrist pass, and then go straight into the twisted sonic and then add a bust at the end. So it's nothing hard. Just a simple pen spinning combo. Thank you for watching and please subscribe.